Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs for TrueNAS under the microscope. And we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your TrueNAS setup. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for TrueNAS? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your data transfers stay secure from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN connection drops, protecting your TrueNAS system from accidentally exposing your real IP address. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they won't store any info about your usage or server connections. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for TrueNAS users. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for TrueNAS because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy and security. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks malware, ads, and phishing sites that might try to compromise your TrueNAS server, even when the VPN is off. It also has a unique tool called MeshNet, letting you securely connect multiple devices or remote users to your TrueNAS system with encrypted tunnels. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can secure your TrueNAS, your laptop, and any other devices all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any TrueNAS admin can verify there are no backdoors or vulnerabilities. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge. It's proven security you can count on. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and runs its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable and dependable connection for your TrueNAS system. Plus, for users wanting minimal latency and maximum throughput, IPVanish offers a SOC 5 proxy option to optimize your TrueNAS network traffic. Just keep in mind, using this proxy trades some encryption for speed. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for TrueNAS? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. That means faster, more reliable file transfers and remote access. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive, consistent speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be fast, but our tests showed speeds vary depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Pick NordVPN if speed is your top priority, you want the smoothest data transfers, or you're after the most features to secure your TrueNAS server. Go with IPVanish if you've got lots of devices or multiple users accessing your TrueNAS. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers deliver amazing control and value. And finally, choose PIA if you're budget-conscious or a privacy-focused TrueNAS user who wants transparency backed by proven no-logs policies and open-source software. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if this was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running with your TrueNAS system. See you soon.